All right, guys, go ahead and open your notes to page, I believe it is 28 in your note packet today. So up to this point, we've been talking about squares and square roots. And at this point, we're going to be talking about 3D figures and finding the volume of something. So to find the volume of a cube, you can do length times width times height, okay? So it says here the cube above is called a perfect cube. Cube is considered a perfect cube if you can arrange smaller unit cubes to build a larger cube. In the example above, 27 unit cubes were arranged to build the larger cube shown. Can you build additional perfect cubes to fill the table below? The first one has been done for you for the cube shown above. So here we have a 3 across by 3 up by 3 deep, which gives us a 3 by 3 by 3, which can also be written as 3 cubed. And 3 times 3 times 3 gives us 27, or 27 units cubed. Notice how before we always said units squared because we are squaring something. Now we're saying units cubed to show that we're multiplying it 3 ways. So they want to know, hey, what's our side length? Well, the side length is 3. What if I had a figure that was a 2 by 2 by 2? Well, I can write that as 2 cubed, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 units cubed. Notice how it is not 6. 2 cubed is 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 2, which is 8. So what's my side length? Well, my side length will be 2 units. Another one I could do would be 4. 8 4 by 4 by 4 would be 4 cubed. And 4 times 4 times 4, when I type it in a calculator, I know 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 times 4 will give me 64 units cubed. My side length would be 4 units. Can you complete this for 5, 6, 7, and 8? Go ahead and do it on your own and pause your screen for me. I know 5 cubed would be 5 times 5, which is 25. And 25 times 5 is 125 units cubed. Side length is 5 units. 6 would be 6 cubed. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 is 216 units cubed. Side length of 6 units. Side length of 7 units. Side length of 8 units. So I would have 7 cubed, 8 cubed. So 7 times 7 times 7 gives me 343 units cubed. 8 cubed will give me 512 units cubed. Go and copy that down. Down below, okay, you know how before we talked about the area of a square being the area is equal to the side of the square squared? Or we could find the side is equal to the square root of the area. Same idea for volume. The volume of an object is the side cubed, meaning 3 times instead of squared, which is 2 times. So we can write the side is equal to the cubed root of the volume. Okay, so we say cubed root V means the cubed root of the volume. So here they're saying find the side length of this cube. Well, they're saying that the volume, which is length times width times height, is 27 units cubed. Well, I need to look back up here. What 3 numbers can I multiply together that are the same to get 27? Well, right now, if I look up here, I see that, 3 works. So that means each side is 3 inches long. Okay. What about if they want me to find the side length of this cube? Well, looking up above, I don't have 30. The closest I can do here is going to be 27, right? So if I don't have 30, I'm just going to write this as, hey, I don't know this number, but I know it's going to be the cubed root of 30. So what I'm saying is, hey, this 30, I'm going to break down to 3 numbers that are going to be the same number that can multiply together to give me 30. This next one, find the side length of the volume, again, of 125. Well, do I have 125 anywhere up here? I sure do. 5 would work. So that means my side length would have to be 5 meters. This next one, is there a 100 anywhere? Well, looking up here, I don't see a 100. So again, if it's not a perfect cube, you can just write it as 3 root 100 feet. Okay, let's go ahead and try these down below. Fill in the blanks below. What's the cubed root of 27? Well, let's go back up. Cubed root of 27 would give me 3. So 3. Because 3 to the third power is 27. What about the cubed root of 64? Well, let's check back up here. Cubed root of 64 is 4 because 4 times 4 times 4 gives me 16. Sorry, 4 times 4 times 4 gives me 64. Okay, the cubed root of 1 is just 1 because 1 to the third power is still 1. Okay, what about the cubed root of 25 and 343? Go ahead and try those on your own. Freeze the screen and go ahead and move on. The cubed root of 125 should be 5 because 5 to the third power is 125. Okay, and then I know that, as I'm typing this in my calculator, 7 to the third power, or 7 cubed, is the cubed root of 343. How'd you do? All right, good job. So here's what we're going to do. I would like for you to go ahead and try this section here on your 7-1E, and I would like you to try number 2. When you are done, go ahead and try this one. And then we're going to go ahead and move on.